Hi, my name is Tim Posu, number matric CE220059. I am from University Tun Hussein of Malaysia, Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Today, I will present my final year project. The title is Mobile Robot with Camera and Gas Data Transmission for Fire Scene Operation. My supervisor is Dr. Hisham bin Abdul Rahman. The project category is Design and Development. This presentation content include the title is first, abstract, introduction, project purpose and scope, overview of the methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, and last is recommendation of the future work. First, abstract. For the this project present the design and implementation of mobile robot in fire scene operation by providing the real-time video streaming, fire detection, gas detection, and firefighting. This system will be built using by ESP32 microcontroller and ESP32 cameras. This robot equipped by the gas sensor and flame sensor to collect the data in the hazard environments at the fire scene. The remote control flies guide transmitter and receiver to control the movement of the robot. Introduction. Now the firefighting is a more dangerous task carried out by the human operator. For this project idea is the firefighting task can be replaced or access to the fire scene operation. A lot of the dangerous gas and smoke at the fire scene making the firefighting more difficult. The robot is designed to enter the fire scene for exploration, collect the information, and firefighting. It can reduce the risk of firefighting being directly exposed to the dangerous environments. Project purpose and scope. First is to develop a 4 wells remote control monitoring mobile robot. Second, to integrate smoke and flame sensor to the robot prototype of ESP32 based fire robot for evaluate its performance in the fire detection. This flowchart ensures the overall details the operation of the fire extinguishing robot system. First, turn on the robot and fly sky controller. Next, successful to connect. If connected, all the system will be operated. The robot can move the multi-direction, real-time video, flame sensor, and gas sensor transmit the data through the Wi-Fi. If the system cannot working, it must be back to the step of turn on the robot and controller to troubleshooting. If everything is function, it can conduct the fire scene operation. This is the block diagram for this project. The robot firefighting system operates on the 12-volt power supply. The ESP microcontroller distributes the task for the video streaming, motor control, and sensor data handling. The motor driver controls the robot movement and 12-volt water pump for extinguishing fires. The fly sky remote control allows the user commands. This is a finalized robot prototype. Result for the multi-movement control of the DC motor. If want to move forward, both of the left and right motor are turned in forward direction. For the backward movement, both the motor are set to the backward. A turn right is achieved by running the left motor forward and the right motor is backward. All the motor are moved can speed up the motor movement. Similarly, a turn left. This result is to test the weight liter and movement speed second per meter. Based on the result, the weight increase, the movement speed also increase. The result is to test the effect of infrared rays from sunlight or sensitivity of flame sensor at day and night. The graph shows that the flame sensor readings decrease as the robot gets close to the fire. This proves that the flame sensor is more effective at night because brings the deadline interference with ability to detect the flame in flash signal. This result is get from gas sensor readings between the vessels distance and gas concentration ppm. This shows that the sensor system is more sensitive when the system is short. Finally, this project successfully developed a four-wheel remote control firefighting robot equipped with a camera and gas data transmission for fire scene operations. For the future improvement for this project can integrate a wireless communication module for operate visiting communication and insert the AI for detect fire and autonomous extinguishing. For the visual fire detection, image processing can replace the flame sensor and renewable energy source like the thermal energy can power the robot and also radio frequency communication can improve the transmission range. First, let me introduce the finalized robot prototype. This is view of the robot from above. This robot can move to front, back, left, and right. The water pump will pump the water from the water tank when on from the remote control. Water can spray in different positions. Charger will active when flame sensor detect the fire. Real-time video, gas level, and flame stack will display by connect the Wi-Fi. The speed is different to move. The robot will move to the location of the fire to put out the fire. That's all for me. Thank you.